We had very long discussion about making the design. What are the consideration to uh, design a product? What are the types of design? What are the considerations to make a design? You as a student, you must have a question that after all this discussion, we want to know what are the good design. Can you give some examples? Those design which are considered as outstanding, designed in various fields. So, इस चीज को address करने के लिए, I have brought some examples of some designs which are considered as the top designs in their categories. So let's see some practical examples. Apple iPhone. We already had some discussion about Apple products, Apple iPhone. Apple iPhone is considered as one of the design जो जिसने revolutionize कर दिया cell phone market को. Let's see from here. Say the Apple iPhone revolutionized the cell phone market with its innovative features, streamlined design, and entire supporting universe through the App Store. So, though it was not a pioneer in the smartphone, Apple is extremely successful because it created a beautiful product that gives a superior user experience to a customer. So, beautiful product and a superior level experience to its users. So, this is one of the design which is considered as all-time best designs in various products. Apple iPhone design is one of the very successful, is very practical by any definition. So this is one of the key design. Another example, Porsche. Porsche car का जो ये डिजाइन आपके सामने इस वक्त डिस्प्लेड है. ऑटोमोबाइल में एसयूवी व्हीकल जब आए तो जो सेडान कार्स थी, फैमिली कार, उनमें दे वर ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन, दोज लुक ब्यूटीफुल. लेकिन जब एसयूवी आई तो दिस वाज considered and it looked like a mini truck. It did not have a very fancy look. Then Porsche, they came with a beautiful design. और Porsche की कार का जो ये design है, this is considered as a very practical, very elegant design with its dignity, status, and it's an impact. So this is one of another design in the design history which became very successful and which is considered as a very successful design. Look at this now. This is a fan. वो फैन जो हम यूज करते हैं, उस फैन को डायसन, जेम्स डायसन ने एक न्यू शेप दी. दिस इज somewhere in 1947. Dyson is very famous for its creative product, innovative ideas. उन्होंने वो जो ट्रेडिशनल फैन था उसको एक नया डिजाइन दिया, और वो डिजाइन ये आपके सामने है. इसमें इस डिजाइन में वो जो फैन के ब्लेड्स हैं वो नहीं है. इसमें क्या है कि इसमें ये एयर ब्लो करता है बट विदाउट दोज ब्लेड्स. So that is a very unique design which somebody who's James Dyson, he invented and he introduced. और designs की history में this is a very unique, very decent design in fan industry. Look at this lamp now. Archel, he was an Italian and he was a designer as well. और इसकी डिजाइन प्रोडक्ट जो है वो बड़ी फेमस हुई एज ए वेरी एलिजेंट प्रोडक्ट जो है इसने डिजाइन की. उन्हीं में से एक प्रोडक्ट जो है दिस लैंप. ये आपके सामने जो लैंप की पिक्चर इस पर डिस्प्लेड है, दिस इज अनदर डिजाइन विच इज कंसिडर्ड एज वेरी practical, very decent, very special in its category. Let me give you another example of this chair. It's called as egg chair because shape look like an egg. It is designed by Jacobsen in 1902. he designed this. He was a Danish guy, and he designed this chair. This design in the chair that was considered as a beautiful, very unique, and very comfortable. Beautiful, unique, and comfortable by the user. So that is another design which we saw right now. These are various examples of those designs which earned an exceptional name in the design history. So we discussed about a cell phone, we discussed about a chair, a lamp, a car, and there are so many other designs of the product which you see every day, and you make an opinion and you make judgment that this is a very good design, a very bad design. So after today's discussion, now you start making those judgments that will prepare you for the future when you will be a manager in an organization, that what are the good design, what design look good to you, and what design you think this is not really a beautiful design. So this knowledge will be useful for you when you will have to design, or you have to approve the design of your products.